key to any successful system using the iPress Pro is understanding how to set the distinct operational modes on the controller. Now, the first thing you've got to bear in mind, the current generation of the iPress Pro actually locks the controller out so that it cannot be tampered with on site. So the first step to setting either mode is quite simple. You've got to hold both the function button and the up button for a period of 3 seconds. You'll notice once you've done that, the controller displays DE1. Now what that DE1 stands for is it's in operational mode 1. So once you've opened that up and you've unlocked it, which I'll do again here now, you can then change, simple by using the up and down arrow, the operational mode from mode 1 or mode 2. In this case, we'll keep it in mode 1 and we'll press the function button again, which then allows us to set the actual required cut-in pressure. Now, that flashes on the screen for a period of 3 to 5 seconds, which gives you the chance then to adjust the L pressure or low level pressure or cut-in pressure to your required operation. And that's it for mode 1. Very simple. Not difficult to use, not 100 layers of menus to go through. Straight in, unlock so that it can't be tampered with, use it, adjust it, and let it reset. That's it. To get into operational mode 2, which is the mode you'll remember which replaces your standard mechanical pressure switch, you unlock the controller again, you go into mode 2, you press the mode button, function button again, it displays the low level pressure which you can then set, and by pressing the function button a third time, you can then set the high level pressure or your cutout pressure, determining the operational mode of where you want your pump to operate. Bear in mind this controller is only designed for clean water applications and is not designed for pumping hazardous water. So when you're using the system in either mode 1 or mode 2, you need to bear in mind that the system itself is not designed for use outside of those parameters. One key feature which I'll highlight when you go to mode 2 is the pump will actually still protect from run dry applications, unlike a pressure switch, because it still has the independent flow sensor in the top of it. Something key to remember, it will still shut down as soon as there's no flow detected. Like every electronic device, whether it be your DVD player, your Blu-ray player, or the photocopier out in our office, every system comes with set defaults out of the factory. For your information, the iPress Pro comes with a default cut-in in mode 1 of 1.5 bar. Now that can be easily adjusted as you've just seen, but 1.5 bar is the default level. When you set the controller to operational mode 2, you have to remember that the default cut-in stays the same at 1.5 bar, but the cutout pressure defaults at 9.8 bar, the maximum cutout pressure you can actually set on the system. Now that can be problematic if you don't remember to change it, because most pumps that this controller is designed to operate will never achieve that pressure, meaning the system will never shut down. So you must always remember to adjust that cutout pressure back to your system's requirements and the requirements of the pump you're using this device to control.